You should have been here when I had the lighter and I was trying to burn his hair off.
Oh my god. Too bad I was trying to find a ball.
Nugget! Nugget!
And I love how Danya casually walks by.
Oh no! Damn it! Time to light it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you serious?
Are they still?
Yes.
Ow, my stubbed toe.
Step forward and throw them off balance. A little bit like that, yes.
I was just guessing.
I love you. Hug. No. Oh. I'm trying to hug her.
Get it up.